How to add audio player to Shopify. So simply go to Shopify App Store, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply search for audio player, and basically we're gonna have to install an app. So let me close this. So as you can see, we have here this one here, which has a free plan available, and then click on install. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply wait until this loads up, and basically we're gonna have to set up the app, which is pretty easy. So click on install again, and then what we're gonna have to do next is simply set it up. So let's wait until this loads up, and now what we're gonna have to do, so as you can see with widgetic, so here you can simply click on new app, and then here you can select whatever you want. So I'm gonna go with this one here, and this is how it's gonna look like. So we have it right here, and we can play music if you want, and you can change everything here, as you can see. So you have this is the dashboard, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply upload your music, and then basically after that you're gonna be able to get the link and simply paste it into your Shopify store, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.